Hi guys, welcome in. It's Mariah. I am an expert bookkeeper. I've been doing bookkeeping for 10 years, worked with hundreds of clients all across industries, and I've helped over 80,000 people learn about bookkeeping and start their and find their own clients. So today I'm going to talk to you about the type of clients that you want as a bookkeeper, especially as a beginner. And we're also going to talk about what services you should offer and the pricing around that. So one of the fastest ways bookkeepers struggle in the beginning is charging the wrong prices. I definitely did. I've made all of these mistakes. So use this video as a guide of what not to do, because most beginners either charge way too little or they try to take every client that comes their way, and you do not want to do that. You want to be picky. In this video, I'm going to show you the pricing and service model I recommend for beginners. When you're starting out, it feels very tempting to say yes to everyone because you're excited to get clients. You're excited to just start making money and income into your business. So when I see beginners charging $200 a month for clients that are going to take them hours and hours every month, I cringe because I'm like, no, this is not the right pricing model that you want. So you start to wonder if bookkeeping even works because you're actually working harder and making less, which is not what you want to do. But the only way you truly can work less and earn more in the bookkeeping industry is to charge premium prices, work with premium clients, and say no to clients that are not ready for a bookkeeper. So clients that can afford $100 or $200, they're usually like side hustles or solopreneurs. That's not what you want to target. You want to target established businesses with established revenue who have real bookkeeping needs. Like, you want businesses who they need bookkeeping to even function, to survive, to make decisions for their business, to file their taxes. It's a necessity for them. Those are the clients that you want to target. Okay. So I'm going to simplify this and show you exactly the services I recommend, the price ranges, and the types of clients I would choose if I was starting over today. So in the beginning, whether you're in the beginning, no matter where you are in your journey, I always say keep your services simple. Beginners tend to overcomplicate things, trying to add admin services and all these different things. You don't need to do that, okay? You don't need to offer everything under the sun. Focus on simple bookkeeping services and become really good at those first. And if you want to expand into accounting level or admin level services, you definitely can. I still think bang for buck, time for money, bookkeeping is the way to go. It's way less stress, way less communication with clients, way less meetings. When you're just doing basic bookkeeping, you really get into a flow of doing the bookkeeping every single month, sending reports and questions, and that's pretty much it. So I like it for the simplicity reasons, but again, I have 3 little kids, so I'm in a simplicity season of my life. So, as things have grown for me, I have brought on tax accountants and things to handle that, but don't feel like you have to offer all these accounting level services to make great money. You actually don't. Okay. So for beginners, I recommend only focusing on 3 core services. Okay. So a setup project is the first. So this means the client came to you. They did not have QuickBooks. They don't have any accounting set up. So that means you're going to create QuickBooks from scratch, connect their accounts, make their chart of accounts, do all the initial setup and organization of the transactions. That's going to be a one-time project. So that ranges from $2,500 to $8,500. So it's always going to depend on the workload and complexity. Okay. And the next service is very similar to this one, except maybe they have QuickBooks set up, but it's not up to date, or they tried to do it on their own and it needs some cleaning up. So this is usually businesses who are behind on bookkeeping, who need fixing for months or years. So you're going to do some categorizing, reconciling, and you're going to get the books clean and up to date. Now, this is going to be $2,500 to $8,500 as well. This could be a little bit more than a setup because sometimes you're going back and fixing errors. So this is going to be that depending on the workload and exactly what they need. Okay. Both of these services, a setup and a cleanup, roll into the third service that I'm going to tell you to offer, and that's monthly bookkeeping. Every client should roll into a monthly bookkeeping service. That's the rule of thumb. Okay. We want to do a setup or do a cleanup, bring them to date, move them to service 3, which is a monthly bookkeeping service. The monthly bookkeeping service is going to give ongoing maintenance, categorize the transactions, reconcile, send any questions, and generate them reports. Now, I recommend being at the $800 a month point or more for monthly bookkeeping services. That way you can make more by working with less clients. Very simple clients though that take like less than an hour, 30 minutes, they can be less. So I'm not saying that. Again, everything does truly depend on the workload. But what I've learned of like working with thousands of people who do this and building my own firm is those $800 to $1,000 simple bookkeeping clients, they really add up fast and they end up being some of the best clients to work with. Okay. I wanted to take a break from this video and just tell you guys a little bit about Bluevine. I am partnered with Bluevine to help bring a simple, free online business checking option to new people who are new to business. Whether you have an LLC or whether you don't, Bluevine could be a great option for you to open a business checking account. You want to have a business checking account to keep all of your business expenses separate from your personal expenses and to keep all of your business income separate as well. Also, that allows you to manage your own books and keep everything really simple for taxes. The way Bluevine works is it's a completely online business checking platform, but you're able to link your personal bank in there and transfer money easily. They have no minimum requirement to open. They have no minimum deposit to keep the account open. And they're very flexible with solopreneurs, new bookkeepers, new business owners who are not necessarily looking to put $5,000 down to open a checking account. A lot of people will use whoever they bank with personally to open a business checking, but sometimes that's not a feasible option if that bank has a high balance requirement or fees or anything like that. Bluevine doesn't have any fees, any monthly fees. So it's just a really great option if you're starting out. I will have a link to Bluevine in the description if you want to if you want to go and learn more and kind of see what could work for you and your business and where you are. Again, whether you're an LLC, whether you're a solopreneur, either way, sole proprietor or LLCs can open this account and you can open it totally free and be able to keep everything separate. And it just works really well to also transfer money to your personal account easily. And I'm going to tell you something that I wish someone would have told me sooner. I don't know why it took me so long to learn this lesson, but I'm telling you, be picky with clients. Bigger isn't always better. You want to avoid messy, high maintenance clients. You want to avoid clients who are not willing to who are not willing to use your systems. Clients who have poor communication, who have high expectations, who are constantly calling and texting you. It shouldn't be that. Everything should be sent to you via email communication for questions. And if there is a call needed, which is, sometimes in the beginning, there are calls that need to be reviewed to review things, it should always be scheduled. So you don't want to work with clients who are high strung, who are constantly asking you questions and sending you stuff. Okay. We want consistent clients who are going to be on QuickBooks, their accounts connected, where we can at our own time, go in, add the transactions, reconcile, and do the bookkeeping, okay? So you want to be profitable by building a business you love, by building a business that feels good, by building a business that gives you freedom, okay? Quality over quantity is always what I'm going to say. You don't need 50 clients to make six figures. 5 to 10 solid clients can create that six-figure goal that most of you want. So that's, again, those simple clients around the $1,000 a month range, plus any setups and cleanups you do for those clients will just be extra money. But it can only take 1 to 3 hours a month per client when you have those basic bookkeeping clients. So the reason I always say bigger is not always better, because it's better to have 10 clients paying you $1,000 a month that take in that 1 to 3 hour range than to have, a $5,000 client that takes 40 hours a week. Does that make sense? So I'm always in my head, like, how can I work less and earn more? And that's kind of the sweet spot that I've found in this industry. Like, I want clients where one time a month I go in and it takes me 1 to 2 hours, definitely less than 3 hours, and they're around that range. That way I'm able to, because if you have 10 clients around that, you're able to do, 2 to 3 clients a week and be working around 10 hours a week, and that is the sweet spot. That's where you want to be. So that way, because we all get into bookkeeping, most of us don't get into this because we love numbers. We get into this because we want to feel free. We want to have freedom. We want to reach our income goals. We want to get up and do what we want every day and work with as it fits into our life. We want to stay home with our kids. So a lot of us, we have so many other roles that we play in life that we don't want our business to take over our life. The only way that works in bookkeeping is if you have quality clients and you are not just taking every single client that comes your way. So To summarize this, you don't want to undercharge, don't take every client, start simple and focus on profitable clients and focus on building recurring income. If you want help learning bookkeeping, pricing services, and actually getting clients, I go so much deeper inside of my free 3-day workshop. You'll also get access to our 65,000 member community where you can ask questions and get support. Actually, I think we're closer to 80,000 members now. But there's also a DM link to me in there, and I answer people in the inbox, my team and I. So if this was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. The link to join my free school community, the free workshop. And in the free workshop, you're also going to get tons of free value, a 30 to 60 day launch plan, just lots of free value and a way to connect and ask questions and see if bookkeeping is a good fit for you.